Okay, so I am 100% in my lazy girl era. I just want things that are easy and quick and I can throw on and look presentable. Maybe it's because it's so cold outside right now, but I don't need to be ultra glam. I just need to be cute. This scarf wig is the perfect, really quick, casual, chic look for me right now. Now, I did a version of this last week with braiding hair. I loved the way that it turned out, but it's the first time that I've ever done this. So I did identify a couple things that I would want to do differently, and this time I think I completely nailed it. So I am using the Shake and Go Organique Water Curl in 24 inches in colors number 4 and number 30. This is synthetic hair, but I really like it a lot. It is very soft and pretty, and because it's synthetic, it's really affordable. I'm using Salon Pro hair bonding glue. And I'm using a black scarf. You can use any cotton scarf. It should be cotton because that won't slip. Okay, so you're gonna start by laying your scarf out diagonally. And then I'm gonna apply the bonding glue to a track, dry it a little bit with a blow dryer on hot. And I'm gonna start low and only in like the middle third. You do not wanna go all the way across because when you put this on, the middle tends to be shorter because of the way it falls on your head. So what you want to do is account for that and make the middle longer. So my pattern is glue on a track, lay that track down, and then put the glue on top of that track, lay another track on top of that, and then move on to the next row. I'm going to lay these middle, smaller width pieces almost all the way to the top being the middle of the scarf. And then when I get close to that midpoint, that's where I'm gonna do the longer pieces. You still wanna leave about 3 inches on either side so that you have some space to tie the scarf. Now I have all these pieces glued on, hit them with the blow dryer, make sure everything is nice and secure. Now I'm gonna use these wig spring clips and I'm gonna sew them on to the underside. I'm not sewing all the way through because otherwise you would see the stitches on top. I'm just sewing them to the underside. And then I used a flat iron to really seal that crease. Okay, then to put it on, I used some wig comb clips, put those in place, and then I make sure to slide the clips from the scarf under those comb clips. Tie the scarf in place, then bring the hair to the front, and I just trim it so that it's even. And that's it. I didn't want any product in this hair. I wanted it to be fluffy, so I just kind of combed it out a little bit with a wide tooth comb, and that's it. I'm ready to lounge around the house and run a quick errand and all of that with my cute, chic scarf wig.